Hey guys, I'm asked continually why I do what I do in real estate. Why don't just do it yourself? Why do you teach it? Look, I traveled all over the United States for 17 years for another company. And I literally created what I feel like is the perfect one-stop shop for someone from start to finish to be able to do what they need to do. Three things I saw and I see every day that I had issues with in my life also when I started. Number one is consumer debt. People are snowed under with consumer debt. Number two, there's not enough money at the end of the month. They need something extra other than their job to make ends meet with inflation and grocery prices and gas prices. And then there's no retirement. We got to create that retirement. So my goal is to do exactly what I've done in my life for other people, move them in a direction to get them completely out of debt, showing them how to get earned income coming in, get them with money extra outside their job, what's passive income. And the third thing is portfolio income to create a retirement. Check us out at Brad Sides Academy. Click on the link below. Set up a free consultation with me. I'd be happy to listen to where your story is to show you how I can take you to a different place financially. Click on the link below.